How to track revenues and expenses in your business using Excel. There is a simple way. We are business planners, so we can help you with your business plan and financial model in Excel. Subscribe for more videos. Please like and share to help the channel grow. If you are an entrepreneur and you need a simple way to see the structure of your revenues and expenses, this video is for you. Today, we will show you a simple way to track the revenues and expenses. In this model, all input data is colored in blue. We start with naming all your revenue sources. Here is a list of products or services. Then you do the same with all your expenses. Just specify all of them. Then we move to the list of your transactions. Let's describe them. Here, you can type the name of each transaction. For example, let it be the revenue from selling product 3. It's a revenue. We get $1,000 revenue. And it's a revenue from product 3. Then we have another transaction for product 3. Then we sell service 5. Then we have some expenses. So here, you can type hundreds of your transactions which describe your revenues or expenses. The sequence of entering the revenues and expenses is not important. The sequence of specifying the table from revenue from product 1 to product 10 or specifying the expenses from 1 to 10 is also not required. You can use chaotic entering transactions which can combine revenues and expenses transactions in any order. All revenues and expenses will be gathered by types here in these two simple tables. One is for revenues and the other one is for expenses. Here, we see total revenues, expenses, profit, and profitability. In this model, we have several instruments for scenario analysis. We have on and off buttons for all types of revenues and expenses. You can switch them on and off to see the performance of your business with or without this or that revenue or expense. Also, you have a system of coefficients added to all revenues and expenses types. Using these coefficients, you can easily create lots of scenarios to test your ideas for business development. You can answer very important questions for yourself. For example, how much of the revenue from this or that item must grow to get this or that amount of profit and profitability? And how much this or that type of expense must decrease to get this or that amount of profit and profitability? How much the revenue can decrease to reach the break-even point? How much expenses can increase to reach the break-even point? So here you are free to create any interesting scenarios for yourself to get a clear view of today and potential revenues and expenses structure of your business. On the next Excel sheet, we have graphs with revenues and expenses totals, profit, profitability, revenue structure, and expenses structure. So this was a simple model to track the revenues and expenses in a business with some valuable instruments for scenario analysis. If this video was useful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Should you choose to take action in your startup, we can help you with business planning and financial modeling. Let's test your business idea. Stay tuned and bye-bye.